how to find and see your proposals and offers on your account on Upwork. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Now go right here in the top on the find work tab and go down. You will find this proposals option. Click on it and it will take you to this page. Now right here, all what you have to do is so simple. You will find offers here and the invitations, the proposals, the submitted proposals, and the referrals, and many other options. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.